In the world of modern automation, flexibility is a real challenge. What if a single robot could take on multiple tasks without stopping, without help, and without switching out tools by hand? This project brings industrial-level innovation into the classroom by giving students the challenge of designing a robotic tool-changing system. To demonstrate this, learners will automate the assembly of a toy car from start to finish using a single Niryo Ned robot and a conveyor belt. Each part of the process requires a different tool. A fork tool to handle the car frame, an electromagnet to pick and place the batteries, a pen tool to paint the sides of the car. The twist? The robot must change tools on its own. No human assistance, no manual reconfiguration. Inspired by real-world tool changers, students will develop a solution that integrates mechanical design with control logic, enabling the Niryo Ned to identify, pick and attach the right tool at each step. This project blends mechanical engineering, robotics and programming into a single real-world challenge. By the end of this project, learners will have designed and built a complete automated process combining tool changing, multi-step assembly and industrial logic.